everyone, this is Sinyoung from Lémore Beauty. In today's video, we answer a highly asked question by you lovelies on facial roller massage 101. Smooth or grooved roller, which one do I use? Many of you are familiar with facial rollers like this, with smooth rollers on both ends. Now you can find facial rollers that has a smooth roller and a grooved roller in one. I would describe a grooved roller as similar to rolling an acupressure mat over our face in a gentle, soothing manner. This helps release tension and stress, stimulate circulation and lymphatic drainage. For me personally, I enjoy using the grooved roller because I find that it provides more tension relief and skin tightening effects. As always, you can try both types of facial rollers and notice the difference yourself. Well, I hope you found this video helpful on your journey to giving yourself amazing facial roller massages easily at home. Take care and much love to you all. Bye bye.